Today we'll talk about earthing. There are two types of earthing. One is equipment earthing and the other one is neutral earthing. We will see what equipment earthing is. Let us take a circuit which is having a conducting part plugged into an electrical circuit, and this conducting part contains an insulation over the conductor, and it will protect the whole conductor from electrical damage. And let us also take another equipment which is a metallic structure, and it is covered the whole circuit, and this metallic body is a protection for the entire electric circuit during short circuit conditions. If any disturbances in the electrical circuits occur, there will be short circuit in the coil, so that it will protect against short circuits. And we will also have another thing that is placed under this is a grounding path. So now whenever this circuit is plugged in, there will be a current passing through the conductor. In normal condition everything is fine, but whenever there is a problem in the conductor, whenever the insulation gets broken, there is a chance that 100% chance that it will connect to the metallic structure, and this current will divert through this metallic body, and we call it this current as a fault current. And this fault current flows through entire metallic structure of the body, which has no alternating path. So this will also be conducting in normal case. So now let us say a human being standing at the ground, touched at one point of this metallic structure. Then there is a fault current flowing through metallic body, through this human body to the ground. So it is a danger to the human life through this electric shock, and there are even cases of death by passing through this conductor through human body to the earth. So to provide an alternating path for the fault current to flow, we have designed the equipment with an electrical wire connected to the earth. Now the same scenario when we apply for the circuit, when it is plugged in and the current is passing through the conductor and the insulation gets damaged. Now the current flows through metallic structure, the leakage current, it will divert through a small wire which is connected to one end to the ground. So now in this case, whenever a human being connects to one end and he touches from the ground, then there won't be a danger for him uh, to death. So by connecting this earthing wire, we can find a solution to prevent from any kind of damage to human beings. So this is a main differentiation between earthing and without earthing. And thank you for listening to my lecture.